Hello guys, what's poppin'? Today we are diving into groundbreaking changes for international medical graduates eyeing a medical career in the United States. Tennessee, in particular, has recently created a game-changing law, and I'm here to breaking down the details. But before we get into it, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss important updates. Let's jump in. Overview. In April 23, Tennessee has created a law that revolutionized the path for IMGs. This law is going to be effective on July 1st, 2024, allows IMGs to bypass traditional U.S. resident requirements and obtain a temporary medical license in Tennessee. Key points. Now let's dissect the main points of this law. It applies to IMGs who have completed a 3 year postgraduate training program in their licensed country or have practiced as a medical professionals for at least 3 of the past 5 years outside the U.S. And all of this is going to be evaluated by the state medical board. Visa considerations. Crucially, this law doesn't cover visa sponsorships. IMGs who aren't U.S. citizens, refugee, or permanent residents still need a visa to practice in Tennessee. Additionally, they must secure employment from a Tennessee healthcare provider that is accredited by Accreditation Council for Graduate Medical Education. Changes in application process. Previously, only those who complete residence in the U.S. could apply. Now, international graduates who completed residence outside the U.S. can seek to practice medicine in Tennessee. Requirements for international medical graduates. If you are an international medical graduate aspiring to practice in Tennessee, here's what you need: a 3 year postgraduate training program or work experience for at least 2 to 3 years in the recent 5 years. Also, evidence of being an international medical graduate, a job offer from a accredited healthcare provider, and demonstrate competency, which is mean SFNG certification is a must. USMLE is a requirement because you need your ECFNG certification. Remember, in order to get your ECFNG certification, you have to take USMLE Step 1, USMLE Step 2, Occupational English Test, which is OET, plus you have to pay one of the pathways. And after all this process, you get your ECFNG certification, which is valid for 2 years. Provisional license explained. What is a provisional license? It's a permit allowing practice only at a healthcare provider institution that is properly accredited, no private practice without the proper accreditation. So, which is mean is like after you submit all the stuff that I said, your ECFNU certification, all the proof and all the requirements, you submit your application, you have a hospital that is proper accredited, they say green line, congratulations, you got your license. The license that you will get is going to be a limit license for like 2 years. So this license is going to be for 2 years, and you can practice in Tennessee in the first place for 2 years. After those 2 years, if everything goes well, you don't make any violation, you don't make any stuff that can jeopardize your license, you can renew your license. But in this time, your it's not like renew. So the license, after all of those 2 years, the license that you will get is going to be a permanent license. And you can practice in Tennessee freely in any place, permanently in Tennessee. However, I want to say this. This permanent license is for Tennessee's practice. If you want to move to another place, Until this moment, it's not possible. Who knows if they change stuff and the rules and the law, and in the future, or maybe in the near future, you can practice upside tendencies with this license. But until now, you can only practice in Tennessee. I mean, your permanent license is gonna be for practice in Tennessee after 2 years. So to sum up, in the first place, when you get your green line, and congratulations, and all that stuff, and yada yada, you will get 2 years limited license. It's gonna be for 2 years. After 2 years, and everything is going well, and you don't have any inconvenience with your past license, the new license that you're gonna apply is gonna be for a permanent license for practice in Tennessee. And that's a wrap on Tennessee's groundbreaking law for IMGs. If you found this information valuable, give us a thumbs up, share with fellow IMGs, and comment below with any questions. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates on navigating the medical landscape.